Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am with you again, physician educator and partner of the company Vienna, Svetlana Tansura, and today we will talk about another mode device I call the star device in our company's collection. This is a cell activator. Before we talk about the cell activator, let's briefly discuss the meridians. Why? Because when we talk about how our activator works, or rather what method we use to work with the activator, we are talking about working with the activator through the meridians. So what are the human energy meridians? Or do we also know them as Chinese meridians, right? These are energy channels that are connected to internal organs through which our energy, qi, the life energy, flows, such as So, we have, you and I indeed, 12 main Chinese meridians, and they are paired. 2 Chinese meridians are unpaired, the front middle and the back middle, and there are 8 extraordinary meridians. As I already mentioned, each meridian is connected to internal organs, and the meridians are specifically named after the internal organs they are connected to. For example, the lung meridian, the large intestine meridian, the small intestine meridian, the triple heater. The meridians are also divided by name into yang, which are male meridians or meridians of hollow organs, such as the stomach and bladder, and yin meridians, which are meridians of solid organs, such as the heart, lungs, pancreas, liver, and so on. So, in the yang meridians, there is energy, while the yin meridians, which are female, are the consumers of this energy. From our meeting today, we will now talk a little about the meridians and the work of the activator itself. That is, what it does and how it affects our body. And in the next video, I will show you how to use the activator. When you are working for yourself, in other words, you work on your own, using the activator in your practice, this will indeed be our second video. So actually the cell activator, what is this device? It is a high-tech, advanced, and innovative device specifically designed for the health and well-being of our cells. This device works on a combination of 3 mechanisms. What are they? Quantum mechanisms such as terahertz radiation and ultra-long wave mechanism, and more. So, if we use the activator either for ourselves or for our family members, what does the activator do, or how does it affect our body? And now we will go through and list all of this together. The activator is a very powerful agent that activates dormant cells. The activator restores and rejuvenates damaged cells. Additionally, the activator helps our body identify which cells are harmful or pathogenic and remove them from the body. How does this happen? It happens because the activator significantly boosts the performance of our immune system. Indeed, in fact, our immune system is capable of protecting us from virtually everything, but only if it is in a normal, healthy, and balanced state. Also, by the way, what else does the activator do? It cleanses the lymph and improves its circulation. Yes, the lymph flow, it cleanses the blood and improves circulation. It fights aging. It significantly enhances the function of the endocrine system. It also improves metabolism. It also significantly enhances the body's self-recovery. And naturally, it helps to eliminate toxins, improves the function of all internal organs, relieves pain, alleviates fatigue, eliminates all inflammatory processes that can occur in our body, and also removes internal moisture and cholesterol, olog from the deep layers of our body, and olog from the deep layers of our body, and olog from the deep layers of our body. And now about the effectiveness, let me give you a comparison. Essentially, 1 session, 1 treatment with the activator is basically equivalent to 10 acupuncture sessions. One session with the activator is approximately equivalent to 20 massages using cups or vacuum massage, and 30, approximately equivalent, one session of work is equivalent to 30 regular therapeutic manual massages. In total, you can also use the activator to treat water, and you will get water with a high amount of negative ions. You can also process any food with it, such as fruits, vegetables, and meats. As one might say, sometimes the food we consume is completely dead. Therefore, by definitely treating it with the activator, you will improve its quality, because when our activator is indeed actually working, it emits or releases a large number of negative ions. And in this way, we enrich both the water and the food we consume. So in the next video, we will go over how to use it. See you soon.